Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add a weather extension to Google Chrome in just a few clicks. So let's get started. Firstly open Google Chrome. Now click on three dots. Here you will see extensions and click on visit Chrome Web Store. Now you will search extension for weather. You can download any of the weather extension. I will choose second one. Here you will see add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, then click add extension. Now open new page, select the extension tab, it will not be added. Now pin the weather extension and now you will see the weather in the top of the search bar. Click on the weather, then you will see all the details. If you want in Celsius or Fahrenheit, you can change according to your need. And that's it. Now you can check the weather anytime directly from your Google Chrome browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.